Nigerian military police team have arrested a soldier who hid illegal firearms inside a small bag of rice in Maiduguri, the Borno state capital. Nigerian Army, in a news release signed and made available by the Army spokesperson, Major General Nwachukwu Onyema, indicated that the illegal firearms included grenades. The Army statement reads, in quote, thus, the Nigerian Army, NA, in its commitment to uphold the highest standards of conduct and ethics expected of its personnel, has apprehended a personnel for illegal possession of ammunition and explosives during a routine search operation by the military police K9 team at the Borno Express Terminal in Maiduguri, Borno State. The soldier, Lance Corporal Mubarak Yakubu, was found in possession of 756 rounds of 7.62mm special ammunition and 436 hand grenades, ingeniously concealed within a small bag of rice. This arrest underscores Nigerian Army's zero-tolerance policy towards any form of illegal activity or contravention of military regulations by its personnel. Preliminary investigation has revealed that the soldier had been inducted from active theater operations in March 2024 and was undergoing the induction training at the Nigerian Army School of Infantry. The soldier was on a welfare pass from Jaji to Kaduna and Adamawa from April 30, 2024 to May 13, 2024, when the arrest took place. The NA wishes to assure the public that it will continue to act decisively to maintain discipline within its ranks and ensure the security of all Nigerians. The soldier in question is currently in custody and a thorough investigation has commenced to ascertain the full circumstances surrounding this incident and to apply the appropriate disciplinary measures. This proactive measure by the military police K9 team reflects Nigerian Army's relentless vigilance and its proactive approach to enforcing compliance with military laws and regulations. The Nigerian Army remains committed to its role as a professional military organization dedicated to the service of our nation and the protection of its citizenry. Meanwhile, the Headquarters Theater Command Operation, Hadinkai OPHK, has on Thursday the 9th of May 2024, handed over a rescued Chibok girl, Lydia Simon, and her 3 children to the Borno state government in Maiduguri. During the handover ceremony, the theater commander, Major General Wadi Shaibu, briefed newsmen on the significance of the event, recalling that the 2014 abduction of the Chibok girls sparked national and international outrage, culminating in the Bring Back Our Girls campaign. He highlighted the military's efforts to rescue the girls, including operations within terrorist enclaves, which have yielded positive results. General Shaibu reaffirmed the theater's commitment to rescuing those still in captivity, in line with the strategic guidance of the Chief of Defense Staff, General Christopher Musa, and the Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Taurid Lagwaja. He also expressed gratitude to the Chief of Army Staff for resourcing the theater and to all stakeholders for their unwavering support. While providing details of the rescue, Brigadier General Abubakar Haruna, Acting General Officer Commanding, GOC, 7th Division, Nigerian Army, stated that Lydia and her children were rescued on the 17th of April 2024 by troops of OPHK in Gunza local government area, following a continuous siege on the Mandara Mountains. He added that Lydia and her children have received medical examination and proper care since their rescue. The handover ceremony was attended by representatives from the Borno State Ministry of Women Affairs and Youth Development, component commanders, formation commanders, and staff officers from Headquarters Theater Command and 7th Division Nigerian Army, the Nigerian Army news release reads, in quote, as presented by Captain Ruben Komandia, the Acting Deputy Director of Army Public Relations of Headquarters Theater Command on Thursday. In another development, troops of the Nigerian Army deployed for counter-terrorism operations in Kaduna State in what the Army described as a direct response to actionable intelligence have neutralized some terrorists and thwarted the activities of violent extremists and abduction of farmers in Giwa local government area of the state. The operation, which targeted the terrorists' stronghold in Basof village, southwest of Kidandan, was conducted after intelligence confirmation that the terrorists were using the village as their administrative refuge. As troops approached the village, they were met with an ambush, but the troops with tactical prowess fought their way through, forcing the insurgents to scatter in various directions. In the heat of the confrontation, troops spotted some of the terrorists attempting to escape the area on motorbikes and effectively engaged them, neutralizing 2 terrorists. The valiant troops also captured 2 AK-47 rifles, 3 magazines and a motorbike. The operation further gained momentum as the troops discovered the insurgents' administrative refuge, situated on a strategic high ground. The troops launched a ferocious onslaught and dislodged the enclave, leading to seizure of a semi-automatic pump-action rifle, 16 rounds of 7.62mm ammunition, an improvised explosive device, IED, 2 Balkan communication radio sets and a bag containing medical supplies, tobacco hand gloves and face masks. The area was also identified as a medical center for treatment of wounded terrorists. The operation underscores NA's commitment to combating terrorism and ensuring the restoration of peace and stability in Kaduna State and the nation at large, the Army stated in quote.
No confirmation. They are waiting. Keep telling us they are waiting for confirmation. So I want to let you guys know. Look at where soldiers are sleeping. Many soldiers have finished their case, and the confirmation has yet to come. And they also refuse to release those ones that has been dismissed. They dismiss a soldier, and they refuse to release them. If you dismiss a soldier, what next is to allow him to go. Let him go and start life new. But they refuse to release those soldiers. Over 40 soldiers have been waiting for confirmation for how many years now? In 80 Provo, Sokoto. Look at the soldiers. We are over 100 soldiers here. No place to sleep. No place to sleep. Sir, I want you to look into this case. 80 Provo, Sokoto State. I want you to look into this case. Major General Mokut is the GOC in this deal. And the federal government is not doing anything. The soldiers are suffering. Salary is not enough. Jubilation every day. Look at where they are keeping us. No fan. The weather is very hot in Sokoto. You can see this fan. There's a soldier fanning himself with this fan. This is how we survive for over how many years now? No release. If you go to court, the court refuses to stay. Today they will tell you that the legal service is not on seat. Tomorrow they will tell you the court president is not on seat. The next tomorrow they will tell you the lawyer refused to come. After paying lawyers, many people are here. 3 years. They are not seeing anything. Look at where we are staying. Look at where we are staying. Many soldiers have spent 4 years no salary. No, 4 years no get salary. 4 years no salary, and they are still under detention. Their family are suffering. They will pursue a soldier wife. A soldier wife will come to visit her husband, and they will pursue the soldier wife. They will not allow you to see your wife once in 1 month. They seize our food. The commander of the AD provost refused us to buy food. He said we should not buy food, and the food they are giving us is not enough. Look at where we are sleeping. This is where soldiers are sleeping. Look at where this is. Over 100 soldiers in this detention. Each room, we are almost 8 in number. Each room. The weather is so hot. You can see my body. You can see my body.
OsazuwaAkonedo, bringing you the news in a more digital way.